Welcome to Soldering for Beginners, your guide to making strong, reliable connections in your electronics projects. Let's dive in with RobotDiva. Soldering is the process of joining electrical components by melting metal. Think of it like glue but for circuits. It's essential for building and repairing electronics. Here are your basics: a soldering iron, solder wire, a stand, cleaning sponge or brass cleaner, flux and desoldering tools like a pump or wick. Lead-free solders takes a lot of heat to melt compared to tin lead solders. Start by twisting the wires together. Heat the wires, not the solder with your iron. Then touch the solder to the joint and let it flow. Finally, let it cool without movement. Soldering can cause flux to release fumes that may contain harmful chemicals. I recommend using a fume extractor or fan to blow the fumes away. With through-hole soldering, component leads go through holes in the board. Solder the connections on the other side. It's common in beginner kits and very forgiving. Surface mount components sit right on the board. They're tiny and often require tweezers. SMT is used in modern tech like phones and laptops. Flux is your soldering sidekick. It helps clean metal and allows solder to flow better. Apply it before soldering, especially for tough or dirty joints. Mistakes happen, no worries. Heat the joint, then use a desoldering pump or wick to remove the solder. You can fix or replace components with ease. Avoid cold joints that look dull or blobby. Don't move components while the solder cools. And don't touch solder directly to the iron. Take your time and practice. Remember, practice makes permanent, not perfect. Every joint helps you build skill and confidence. Start with simple projects and level up. Ready to go deeper? Visit STEAMDivas.org for full tutorials and videos. Build with RobotDiva.